In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use plots and charts to understand the distribution of data in Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence, or FDI. Distribution of data shows how values are spread across categories to identify potential trends, anomalies, and relationships in the data. Depending on the data I want to visualize, there are different visualizations that can best display distribution. In this example, I'd like to use a scatter chart to analyze the relationship between average discount and quantity ordered across my product lineup. Each data point represents a product helping me identify whether offering higher discounts is linked to increased sales volume and providing insight into pricing, discounts, and special offer strategies. In a scatter plot, I'll look to see if there's a correlation between these two measures. If there was one, I would see data points stretching towards the top right corner of the chart. In this scatter plot, I don't see a clear correlation trend. To confirm this, I'll add a trend line by right-clicking the chart, then select Add Statistics, and then Trend Line. I'll change the formatting of the line to make it clearer. The flat line confirms that there isn't a correlation between these two measures. Now, I'll look at an example where we do see correlation. In this chart, I see the quantity ordered in sales have a correlation because the trend line moves upward and to the right. I can also see the distribution of subgroups within scatter plots by color-coding them by attribute, so I can understand the correlation of measures for each subgroup. If I drag the product category attribute onto color in the grammar pane, each subgroup gets their own trend line. I see that for some categories like furniture, there is a stronger correlation between quantity ordered and sales than office supplies and technology. Another chart that can show distribution of multiple measures is a bubble chart, which is a type of enhanced scatter plot. The main difference is that I've added a third measure to the size section in the grammar panel. Sales are on the y-axis, quantity ordered is on the x-axis, average discount is represented by the size of the data point bubbles on the chart, and I have categorized the data points by product category using color. If there are too many data points or overlapping bubbles, the chart might become overcrowded, making it hard to read. If I want to see the distribution for a single measure, I can use a box plot chart. In this case, I'd like to understand the range of product order quantities to optimize inventory management and make supply chain adjustments. When I hover over the box plot, the tooltip will give me more information about the interquartile range, or IQR. The center line across the IQR is the median of all values. The shaded area displays the middle 50% of values, or interquartile range, and the lines extending from the box represent the top and bottom 25% for the data spread. In this chart, the bottom 75% of products have a quantity ordered of 97 or less. Points above or below the lines are outliers, which helps me quickly identify unusual values, top-performing products, or areas requiring further investigation. If I add customer segment into color, I can see how different customers are ordering different quantities of items. Another way to show the distribution of a single measure, like quantity ordered, is by using a histogram, which is a type of bar chart. This histogram displays how many items customers typically purchase per order. In this example, we see that 2,341 orders contain 1 to 11 items, 1,492 orders contain 11 to 21 items, and fewer orders have more than 22 items. FDI makes it easy for business users to analyze the distribution of their data through plots. Find more information in this series and additional resources on using Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.